The problem that we are going to discuss today is from the recent June Starters, and the problem name is Total Correct Submissions. The difficulty level of this problem is easy and its prerequisites are none. Let us try to understand the problem statement. So, CodeChef Challenges has three divisions. Chef wants to find out the number of total correct submissions for each problem including all three divisions. So, given a list of n problem codes and the number of correct solutions in each division, find the total number of correct solutions for each problem. So basically, we in input we have been given something like this. So here n is the input, and we have 3 into n lines of input. So denoting the problem code and its successful submission in each division. So over here AA, and it has one successful submission in div 3. Now AB, and it has one successful submission in div 2. Now AB again has one successful submission in div 2, sorry, in div 1. And now we have the second list of codes. So here we have AC, and it has one submission in div 3. So again AC has one submission in div 2, and AD has one submission in div 1. So what we have to do is we have to find the total number of correct solutions for each problem. So there is an easy way to go about this. What we have to do, just create a hash map. So map of string to int. So string to int mapping we have to create. Now what will be the string over here? So the string will be the problem codes. So let us write all the problem codes here: AA, AB, AC, and AD. So these are all the problem codes. Now initially they are 0, all of them. So as we take input, we have AA1. So just increment this. So this becomes 1. Now we have AB1. So this becomes 1. We have again AB1. So this becomes 2. Now we have AC1. So this becomes 1. Again AC1. So this becomes 2. And we have AD1. So this becomes 1. Now for the answer, they have told us that we need to output the the total number of correct solutions for each problem in the increasing order. So here if you check out, it is 1 2 2 1. So if we decide to output it in increasing order, then the correct answer for this will be 1 1 2 2. Right, so this will be the correct answer. So this is exactly the whole question, that we have to basically use a map and we have to increment the given key in the map. And finally what we have to do is we have to store the value of the maps to in a vector. So just what we can do is just push all these values in a vector, sort them, and so sort and directly output. Right. So now we have seen the solution approach. So now let us directly proceed to the implementation part. So let us start with the implementation. So first we will take input n, then we will take input 3 into n lines. So it is basically, it contains a problem code denoted by the string s and an integer x which denotes the number of submissions of that problem in that particular division. So here for inputs I've just used a loop while rep minus minus, where rep is equal to 3, because we are going to take 3 into n lines of input. So here it's just a for loop from 0 to n, and here we take input s and x. So what we have to do is just declare a map with string to integer mapping and just increment the string key with x. So basically what we are doing, we are adding x to the string key. So here essentially what we are trying to achieve, that we are increasing the number of submissions for that problem by x. Now finally when this is done, so we have all the string to integer, that is the problem to the submission mapping. Then what we have to do is declare a answer vector and push back the value of the map. So basically the integer part of the map into the answer vector. So the integer part is the total correct submissions for each question. So here I've used structured bindings, and this can be only used in C++17, so it is a good practice to use this. Then finally what we are doing, that we are sorting the array and we are outputting the elements space separated, right? So this completes our solution approach, and this will give you a correct answer. So I hope you understood it, and thank you.